Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is easy to make money if we follow the indicators. If we learn to read the indicators, then it is that much easier. So let's see what was the important happenings today. Today, Nifty has closed in red once again. That is for 8th consecutive day, Nifty has closed in red. Historically, Nifty in last 20 years or so has closed more than this only once. 9 consecutive red closings in May 2019. That was during the last phase of election, general elections, and just before the exit polls. So obviously that had its own reasons. People expected at that time that results might not be really in favor of BJP, etc., etc., and that's why that worked as a catalyst for Nifty to go down. And then on 19th of May, the exit polls results came, and rest is history. Now, as there isn't really much to fall back upon, because almost all the indicators are negative and pointing at weakness. You can see here, this is Nifty's important indicators for the month of February. February month has closed today. The trading for February month has closed today. This is how the Nifty and Nifty indicators performed during the month. This is Bank Nifty's indicators and Bank Nifty's performance during the month. And then what is important is levels for tomorrow. As usual, this is the first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India, all the important indicators, that is LTP, low, high and open here, and pivot point R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3 for tomorrow. This is the only thing to fall back upon tomorrow. So this is the first page. This is the second page from Divis Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. And this is the last page, SBI Life to Wipro. So take a snapshot or whatever. Keep all these details. It would really help tomorrow. As I said, almost all the indicators are negative and pointing at weakness. If we really look for something to cheer us up, then Kelton channel, Bollinger Band, and RSI are pointing at almost oversold zones. That, along with Nifty having closed in red for 8 consecutive sessions, we have a glimmer of hope for tomorrow to close in green. That's all for the time being. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Take care. Goodbye.